Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm eating some delicious Korean fried chicken over here. Very tasty and delicious, made by Cooking with YJ. If you want to make some of these chicken wings, watch this video till the end, and by the end screen I'll pop that recipe link over there so you can check it out and make it for yourself. So yeah, anyways, let's eat this. Let's chow this up. Wow. We here got like 7 chicken wings over here. I like to eat my wings, some tissue just to soak up some oils. This is freshly fried over here. Wow. Soak up some oil and let's eat this. So good. Crispy as well. So juicy. Damn, so good. You need a lot of tissues here because they soak up a lot of oil. Wow, just check that out. Wow, you want to make some of these easy, delicious, crispy wings. Korean crispy wings. You need to watch this video till the end. Click on that link and watch that cooking tutorial. Very easy to make. Wow, chow this. Soak up more oil on top of this meat here. Good soak. Let's eat this. So good. Super delicious, super delicious. Another one, soak up the oil. Mm. 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 Solid good, solid good. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. So delicious. Mm. Korean fried chicken over here. I know most Korean fried chicken you see it's a red and it's coated, but this is not the coated version. We use the Korean gochujang to marinate these chicken wings. So yeah, you get that good flavor in these wings over here. Mm. 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 So far I've eaten 3 wings, I think, yeah. Still 4 more to go. Nice. Luckily I didn't eat breakfast. Save this for lunch. It's my lunch time. Mm. Mm. Solid good, solid good. Wish I can eat fried chicken without so much oil, but hey, when you eat these things, you gotta eat them with that oil. But luckily, you get some tissue to soak up some of that oil, so it's not that bad. So crispy. Two more wings left, 2 more wings. One last wing. Let's do this. Last wing. Oh, check that out. Anyway, guys, thanks guys for watching. Remember, here is the video that I'm placing on this end screen of this video if you want to make some of these wings. Click on it and check it out. It's very easy to make. Thanks guys for watching.